This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file Form 1099 DIV. First, gather all your Form 1099 DIV statements from various financial institutions. These forms summarize your investment income, including ordinary dividends, qualified dividends, and capital gain distributions. Carefully review each statement for accuracy. This initial step is crucial for ensuring you report all your investment income correctly on your tax return. Next, you'll need to transfer the information from your Form 1099 DIV to the appropriate sections of your tax return. Ordinary dividends are typically reported on Schedule B, while qualified dividends receive preferential tax treatment. Capital gain distributions, often found in Box 2A, are reported on Schedule D. Make sure to correctly categorize each type of dividend to optimize your tax outcome. Be aware of common scenarios that might affect your filing. If your total ordinary dividends are over $1,500, you must file Schedule B. Non-dividend distributions, which are a return of capital, reduce your investment's cost basis. Also, if you paid foreign tax on dividends, you might be able to claim a tax credit for those amounts, reducing your overall tax liability. Before submitting your return, always double-check all entries against your original Form 1099 DIV statements to prevent errors. Using reliable tax software can significantly streamline this process and help ensure accuracy. Remember, if you have any questions, consulting a tax professional is always a wise choice. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to some great leak-proof meal prep containers and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.